flight 44512 to Tel Aviv as well. Wizzair flight 4554 GWUKF. That one is going to Burgas. Cessna 680A citation longitude. This one is coming from Innsbruck, I believe. The registration as it passes. It is CS LTL. Flight radar 24 is a bit easy on the registrations for private aircraft, general aviation. So it's off the runway. So now we have a Dassault Falcon 2000 LX. This one is coming from Istanbul. Smaller airport of Istanbul. TCASD, that one, the registration. Like a Turkish private jet as well, that one. That's where it's come from, Istanbul. Great shot, look at that. Looking out there is easyJet flight 75 GEZUW, that one is bound for Glasgow. Okay, now you can see there, it's a Cessna 510 Citation Mustang. This one is coming from Roskilde in Denmark. Very good day to test out my optical zoom. It is. Oh, it's really hard to see the registration from here. I'll be in the captions below. It started with either OY or OK. It's OKFTR. Check plane. There is HALYT. It's a Wizzair Hungary Airbus A320. This is flight 2205 from Budapest. So it goes off the runway, but it's reversed fast stopping now. It's quite a lot of the runway there, surprisingly. It does have quite a short runway, but I've seen 757s taken from here before. Well, that's GWUKJ bound for Larnaca. What's going on is easyJet flight 2185, this one is bound for Belfast City. Might be Belfast International actually, BFS was the IATA. Yeah, that is GEZUF bound for Belfast. So now is the Rhodes flight, GWUKG. That one departs out. That GWKH is trying to sneak in before the Sustrava flight, which is just behind it. Coming in. This one is indeed bound for Athens. Here it comes. This is YRBMN coming from Sustrava. Not too sure on the flight number for this one. It doesn't have a strict flight number. Look at that. It's a nice livery. It's about the only... I haven't flown with them before, can't criticise them, but that might be one of the only good things about this airline, to be honest. Jersey flight, this is GEZBO working flight 2312 from Jersey. An Airbus A319 of easyJet. I've got a nice touchdown shot there, look at that. On the front as well, that one. Now we have a Cessna 688 citation longitude again. This one has come in from Stockholm Arlanda. registration on this one when it passes as well. This is CSLTF. That's by the same operator we saw before, CSLTL. It's the operator company owned by the same company. Reverse fast on that one. Also coming in now, we have an easyJet Airbus A320 coming in from Amsterdam. That should just be coming around into view there. But there it is. That is GZTD. There's easyJet flight 2160. And a short 48-minute hop over from Amsterdam. It's a citation latitude, not longitude. Is there even such thing as a citation longitude? I'm not sure. Anyway, that just about sums up my time here at London Luton Airport. It has been a lot of fun. Right, if you have enjoyed the video, then please make sure to give the video a like, and if you do enjoy my content, then please make sure to subscribe. It will be greatly appreciated. Not sure where my next video will be from. It'll probably be a train spotting video, but until then, bye.